Earlier this summer, I hung a trail camera up the mountain. A few weeks ago, I went up there to check it. I didn't get it on camera because I thought it was just going to be a routine check. I was just going to swap out SD cards so I could see what was on it. When I got up there, it wasn't exactly routine. Although the way things have been going with trail cameras lately, what happened to it is getting to be routine. The camera was spun around on the tree. There was a little bit of damage to it. A scrape there, a gouge there. The lens cover is cracked. Looks like a bear tried to chew on it a little bit. I'll show you the video footage that was on it so we can see what happened. The camera didn't catch the money shot. I had it set to pause for a few seconds in between videos. After that, the camera was spun around in a direction where it didn't catch anything else after that. But I'm pretty sure that was the culprit. After that bear attack, the camera still works as well as it did before. The cracks in that lens cover don't show up in the images. I've said it before, bears are one of the reasons why I can't have nice things. A while after that, I went back up there, swapped that camera out for another one because I wanted to charge the batteries on that one. It had been a while. Then I went back up there this morning to check that one. I'll show you what happened to that one. I put the camera up in this maple tree, but I'm not seeing it. It was right there. I wonder if a bear took off with it. How far am I going to have to search to find it? Not very far. Busted this out of it, chewed it up, covers up the sensor. Why would it go and do something like that? That's just rude. Broke the lever off the strap. It's probably laying around here somewhere, right below where the camera was. Actually, it doesn't look broken. Looks like it just pulled it apart, snaps back together, probably will still work. As for the rest of it, I don't know. I've said it before, bears are one of the reasons why I can't have nice things. It has the video card in it. We'll take it back. We'll see if there's some video of what happened. I just had to go through about 50 pictures of treetop blowing in the wind until a few days later the attacker came back. I know the camera still works after that brutal attack because I just had to go through a bunch more pictures of treetops blowing in the wind. Until the rescue party showed up. After all that, all it did was knock the cover off the sensor. Okay, there are a couple teeth marks I see in it now. There's a tooth mark. There's one. Some small marks on the bottom. There's one on the seal. Now I see teeth marks on the back too. The camera is still fully functional, works the way it should, although this open sensor could be a problem now in wet weather. I wonder if I can get a new part for that. In the previous trail camera video, we learned these cameras can survive cow attacks. Now in this video, we learned these cameras can survive multiple bear attacks and keep working the way they're supposed to. I have another camera over here. I'll leave you with some of the footage I get off of this one, which hasn't been tore up yet by a cow or a bear or anything else. After seeing how good the video quality is, people always ask me for a link to those cameras. I'll put one in the description below. I like them because they are simple to use, the video quality is good, and as we just found out, they are really tough.